Just a great temperature for building a motorcycle.
I'm trying to create something awesome here with you guys and gals and everybody between them. But the fucking GoPro is giving me a hard time. I updated the firmware and release notes said that it will support larger SD card, so I bought larger SD card with right glasses and stuff, but now it doesn't support my old cards and it doesn't support the new cards as well. So nice one, GoPro. GoPro, don't go unpro. Okay, I'm pretty sure this bike hasn't been running after the repair attempt because the loose spark plug, because the missing bolt nut here, because the missing engine mount, which is pretty crucial. Because of this missing engine mount, this seems to be there, so at least it's not shaking all the ways. Marking things. This one was going to solenoid. I need to check if the fuse needs to be there or if it's just because of the patent pending purkkayritys bubblegum. Now we know where to put those when the time comes. Then I take off regulator. Let's take it off. Oh, it's full of goo-goo. The future will show us if I'm guessing right or left. By the way, don't take any of this stuff I say as a fact because as you can probably already see, I'm not an expert. So I make guesses. This is going into motor. It can't be. How come there is like every fucking cable going into the motor? Sorry about the language. That's because of the movies I've been watching. Not that kind of movies. I got lost with my marking tactics. I was supposed to put numbers in these. I can do it still. Number 2. Where can I put the number 2 here? Number 2. But this was the number 3. Where was the number 3? Where is my number 3? This is number 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, go to 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1. I still don't know what this. There should be solenoid, starter solenoid, then there should be the relay for the blinkers, voltage regulator, and so it is the ignition. Now that I know what it is, I can take it.
I believe that I talk by myself a lot, and I have made this observation now that because I'm trying to speak English as I'm working on this bike, I speak myself in English as well. That feels pretty dumb. This is probably a toolbox here. At the top of it sits the battery in the default configuration. I take this off. Yeah. Put it there.
Yo, just got the handlebars off and pretty standard grand pop style shape, and this is the new one. How I'm able to show this. It's like a little bit lower, but still I'm not sure that if it's just like I want. It's almost there, but I prefer more like motocrossy look. It's probably good. Need to run a little bit. So. I would like it to be a little more straight. Who cares about the drivability? It's all in the looks, I think. I'm going to save every part I take off and which I'm not going to use, because I was wondering that someone might be like restoring same sort of bike somewhere and needs like this perfect handlebars for it. About the restoration, someone might think that why didn't I restore this bike as it was someday. I have to be honest with you, it just looks so silly, and I understand if you have like old enough, like from the 70s, then you probably want to restore it and ride with it, but as this looked when it came out from the factory, nowadays it just looks so silly. Might be a stupid reason, but not going to lie to you about it. Knobbies. Feels like I'm tightening it, but there must be so much dirt on the other side of the bolt that, yeah, that's it. What to do? Screw it harder. Impossible. Let's try with bigger tools. There was too much rust at the end of the bolt, so it just snapped. It's like giving a birth to a snake with weird head. I come in peace. I like this when you have only 10mm notch over the bike. It reminds me of good old Suzuki PV. If you had like this 10mm wrench with you, you could almost take the whole moped apart. Come on. Woo. And the harness is off. No, it's yes, it is. Yippee-ki-yay. Let's take the blinkers off now.
I think that now I will leave it like this for a moment and work with the carburetor. I will clean it up and put it together with the new parts.